In this presentation, we're going to review some features of EDWADS. What we have here is the main GUI. This is the main panel, and it shows the network of data distribution. We have several links here. Link EDWADS, which sends data from localhost to a remote server called EDWADS. We have another link called wild. It sends data from localhost to .123 server. We have link 1, which sends data from localhost to casa.local. Also have an L3 here, etc. On the left-hand side, we have a view of the network with its hosts. I'll expand it a little bit here to show it clearly. So this is the top of the configuration called Endura Data, and it has a sender called localhosts and a receiver called casa.local. And you can see we also have a link called West Plant, and it sends data from casa to receiver West Plant. This tab here shows a data distribution network. Let's expand it, and let's go to this particular one here, link EDWADS. Scroll down. And we'll perform a data distribution or a backup from the local hosts to a receiver called EDWADS, and we'll send to it. Let's send this EDWADS. It's done. We'll take a look at the statistics. Let's clear this from some previous display that we had. And we'll see that it's finished. You can take a look at the jobs, and it's clear the list. And we see that something went through in about 1.5 seconds. What you see here is a list of jobs that have been scheduled before to run, and we'll examine the scheduler to show this. So for like EDWADS, we're doing this path here, and we're doing it every minute. The scheduler allows you to schedule operations such as distributing data, pausing it, replication, or resuming it. It allows you to select which link. It allows you to select which receiver will get data. Is it every receiver? And in this case here, let's select like EDWADS. It has only one receiver, so it's EDWADS there. You can select the minute, so you can do it every minute, or to specify the particular minute we want it. You can select the 24-hour base schedule. You can do it in a particular month, a particular day of the month, a particular month of the year, or a particular day of the week. Let's create a simple one here. So let's do this. Now we're doing that every minute, and we'll apply the schedule. We have to apply the schedule in order for it to take effect. So the next minute, now it's about 12:30. Next minute, 12:31, it will take effect. Let's take a look at the statistics. The statistics here show some data, such as is it running or is it paused? When did the data transmission stop? When did it end? And when did some work succeed? Lastly, if we have any failures, we're going to see them here. We're going to see the total files that are remaining, and the total files with failures, the files in transit, the last bits per second rate, the cumulative bits per second rate, cumulative execution time, and the recent number of bytes sent, recent payload, and recent files in transit.